Welcome to the Flower Care Garden channel, where every lush green leaf and every vibrant Anthurium bloom tells a story of natural daily care. Have you ever wondered why some Anthurium plants stay glossy, healthy, and bloom all year long, while yours grows slowly with very few flowers? In today's video, I'll share a super simple and completely natural secret that's easy to do at home but delivers surprisingly effective results. If you love flowers and want to care for your plants the right way, stay until the end and discover the magic of nature with Flower Care Garden. To care for my Anthurium today, I'm using coffee, a familiar kitchen ingredient that can deliver surprisingly effective plant care results when used correctly. First, I add 1 tablespoon of coffee into a clean glass jar. Then slowly pour in 1,000 milliliters of boiling water and stir well until the coffee is fully dissolved. Once the coffee is fully dissolved, I close the lid and let the mixture steep for about 1 hour, allowing the nutrients to extract gently without becoming concentrated. After 1 hour, the mild solution helps Anthuriums grow healthy leaves and longer-lasting blooms. Now I begin checking my Anthurium plant and notice signs of flower drop, with only a spent inflorescence stalk remaining and early signs of basal rot. This condition shows that the plant has finished a flowering phase, and without timely action, the basal rot may spread and affect overall growth. Therefore, I will gently remove the spent flower stalk and the affected basal area to improve airflow and limit the spread of rot. After removal, the plant can focus its energy on healthy growth, stabilize, and prepare for future blooms. Now I'm using milk, a familiar and easy to find ingredient, and I'm choosing unsweetened milk, which can help Anthuriums recover and grow more steadily when mixed properly. I measure 30 milliliters of milk. Then add 1,000 milliliters of room temperature water to dilute it, creating a mild and plant-safe solution. Which country are you watching this video from? I'm so happy to welcome you to Flower Care Garden. Please leave a comment below and let me know. It's wonderful that we can connect, share, and chat with each other from all around the world through our love for plants and flowers. After mixing, I stir well so the milk fully dissolves, ensuring an even solution that the plant can absorb more effectively. This diluted milk solution provides gentle nutrients, helps reduce plant stress, and supports healthier leaf and root growth. Step 1. I use a clean cotton pad, soaked in the diluted milk solution. Then gently wipe the entire surface of the Anthurium leaves, including both the top and underside. Wiping the leaves with the milk solution not only removes dust buildup but also helps the leaves absorb nutrients more effectively, making them greener and healthier. Milk contains calcium, proteins, and natural minerals that strengthen leaf cell structure, support photosynthesis, and give the leaves a smoother, glossier appearance. When leaves are cleaned regularly, the plant can photosynthesize more efficiently since light is no longer blocked by dust or residue. Leaf wiping also helps reduce bacteria and fungal growth on the leaf surface. which is especially important for indoor plants with limited air circulation. The diluted milk solution creates a gentle and stable environment on the leaves, allowing them to breathe better and reducing the risk of yellowing or dry leaf edges. For anthuriums, wiping the leaves with the milk solution helps deepen leaf color, improve texture and thickness, and enhance resistance to environmental stress and pests. This is a simple and easy method to do at home, yet it delivers noticeable results, especially for foliage plants like indoor anthuriums. In addition to Vietnamese, this video is also dubbed into multiple languages for viewers around the world. Available languages include English, French, German, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, Dutch, Polish, Italian, and Indonesian. You can easily change the language by selecting your preferred option in the video's language settings. Step 2. I continue nourishing the plant carefully by spraying the diluted milk solution after finishing the leaf wiping step. Now, I pour the remaining milk solution into a spray bottle and gently mist the entire anthurium plant, including the leaves, stems, and base. I make sure to spray evenly so every part of the plant can gently and effectively absorb the natural nutrients. Spraying the milk solution not only cools and moisturizes the leaves but also helps the plant recover better from stress. Photosynthesis and help leaves become stronger, thicker, and glossier when sprayed onto the surface. At the same time, the diluted milk solution creates a gentle environment on the leaves and stems, helping to reduce the growth of fungi, bacteria, and certain pests. This is a safe and well-rounded care method that helps anthuriums maintain a vibrant appearance with glossy, healthy leaves from the inside out. After soaking the coffee grounds for about 1 hour, I stir the solution well to help the nutrients dissolve evenly. Next, I strain out all the residue and keep only the nutrient-extracted liquid. This method helps prevent root blockage, reduce mold, and keep the solution clean and safe for plants. Once the coffee has been fully strained, I gently add the remaining milk solution to the coffee water. Then stir well so everything blends together into a mild and balanced solution for the plant. Step 3. After preparing the milk and coffee solution, I water it over the entire growing medium of the anthurium, allowing nutrients to reach the root system directly. I water slowly and evenly so the solution can soak into the soil, gradually enabling the roots to absorb moisture and nutrients steadily. The diluted coffee supplies mild amounts of potassium and nitrogen, helping stimulate root activity and support overall plant growth. When combined with diluted milk, this mixture not only provides essential nutrients but also improves the growing medium and creates a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms. As a result, the anthurium is nourished evenly from roots to leaves, grows stronger, produces deep green, new leaves, and prepares for future blooms. After watering, I will soak the anthurium in the milk and coffee solution for about 10 minutes to allow the roots to absorb nutrients more fully. After soaking the plant in the solution for about 10 minutes, I gently lift it out and place it in an area with diffused light so it can dry naturally and stabilize. Step 4. I remove any remaining water on the leaves to protect them and reduce the risk of disease. I use a soft, dry, clean cloth to gently wipe the entire leaf surface, removing leftover moisture after spraying or watering and preventing water from collecting in leaf joints. Water trapped in leaf joints is a common cause of leaf rot, mold, and bacterial growth. When leaves are kept dry and well ventilated, the plant can breathe better, photosynthesize more efficiently, and avoid white residue spots caused by water evaporation. Although it's a small step, it plays a crucial role in keeping your anthurium clean, healthy, and beautiful over the long term. With simple and easy to find ingredients like banana peels and rice, we can create a natural nutrient source that helps anthuriums grow healthy from roots to leaves, inside and out. Care for your plants with all your heart, because when you take care of nature, nature will take care of you too. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and effective plant care tips. See you in the next video.